Hi YouTube peeps, Paul from JPR2two2. Welcome back. Last night I put a little bit of video footage on, but it was getting a bit dark. But here she is. It was getting a bit dark, but here she is. Basically, she's on mounts there on the back one. You just see it under there, and then this top one. Obviously, it to be done wiring. I'm just in the middle of putting the wiring. As you can see, it's not in yet. We're gonna tuck this down as far as we can. It would have been nice to go in the middle. Would have been nice for this to go in the middle, but that's as far as we can get that. We've tied that one into the wiring loom, and this is now the starter motor which I'm running through, and then obviously the other one which would have normally gone through there. That's the dizzy one. We've got a couple of connectors here to finish. Bit of piping to do there, throttle cable, small pipe in there which we can connect. But at the moment I'm trying just running this as tightly as possible around here. This is my starter, which is a little bit too short. Right, so basically the engine's in. So yeah, the engine's in. Yes, what the plan is to wire it, plumb it, sort of battery, because obviously the battery would have gone here. Yeah, so the plan is to try and get this running tonight with the engine. So we've got a blocks manifold, but we're not going to use that just yet. The reason being is because we're short of time, and being short of time means we've got to go and get mapped for the block manifold, etc. So we're leaving that off. We're going with standard. We're going to run the standard ECU. We've got an H2 ECU, but we've got a chip in it which is for a B18, but we're not quite sure what chip it is. And obviously time is running out, so we're going to go just run it standard. Same as the fuel pipes, which you'll see we've had to put the ugly filter back on, which is this, opposed to the nice new. And this is the piping filters here. We've been waiting for. They're all AN connectors, so it's getting our heads around different sizes. And we needed some reducers because the pipes are different sizes, but for now, standard engine. And obviously this engine is going to be coming back out eventually because it's going to be boosted. But individual, I'll just go through it. We've had to rewire the harness. It's obviously a B18 and it's now got a B16 harness on it to match the car because the OBDs were different. So I'll just quickly go over it with you. So first of all, we'll go from the injectors. Excuse the rocker cover, this is just one we're working with because the nice rocker cover will be shown shortly once it's all done, finished, and you'll see what it looks like. So here we go. Start with the injector plugs. So the injector plugs are there. These have been, obviously the harness had broken plugs, so these have now been put on. Run through the standard unit, but instead of running down there we've tucked it and gone down the back of the engine. Some of the pipes we've changed on the vacuums. We've got the fuel one, which is now going to be there. That's the new pipe. And nice little connectors. And these are like a nice little neat thing. They're a Jubilee clip. They're like an AN connector, but they're a Jubilee clip in disguise. Yeah, so the wiring now is just going to go to there. The other bit that is over there, we've got a piece at the back that's going to go down there. Like I said, we'll put the filter on. We've got to put the clutch line back up because the clutch cable that was sent us, or pipe braided one, was the wrong one. It was too short. That's not going to go all the way from clutch to there. As you can see, it's way too short. It'll cost quite a bit of money. Clutch cylinder's there, comes up, and now we've tucked the pipe up inside. The cylinder's there, got it covered over, because obviously once the level's done in it, we shouldn't have to really have much of a problem, but we didn't want that big thing stuck over there. From that we've run standard manifold. Try to, obviously we'll do a bit more with this wiring because some of it's a bit ugly. Then we've got rerouted wiring down here, few new connectors, tightened up so we haven't got so much slack. Like I say, I've got this bit to do with the dizzy and a couple of the VTEC valves. As you can see, the gearbox was all cleaned. Thanks to Chris, he did that, really good job. That's Camera Shy Chris, or we now give him a new nickname, Bolt or Snappy Chris, because he snaps bolts. Ongoing joke with us all. Yeah, so that's all done. Start the motor, that's done. Getting Chris did that. I painted, Chris prepped them all, I painted them all. New thermostat inside. What else we got? Yeah, all the sensors, they've all been put back on, cleaned. Innovation engine mounts, as you can see on this side. Innovation, they are polished, we'll polish them again. New belts there. The power steering pump is here, that's going to stay. The return one is coming from the bottle, and as you can see we have no bottle, the bottle's gone. And Josh filled the holes in so we couldn't put that back there anyway, not as I wanted it, I didn't like it. So basically we've just got to finish this little unit off here. I'll show you, there's the bottle. Fell through the top there, and we've got a different colour cap there. So we've got to reroute some of the piping. We've rerouted, this pipe goes up to the pump, and this one goes to the steering rack, which we've rerouted down through there, rerouted down into there. Right the way back, and it's tucked around the back of there. So we don't have two big pipes, we can't do much with this one, this has got to be stay. Two new belts on, and the pulleys are all purple, as you can see. You can see the alternator is purple, the crank is black. Alternator's there, that's all cleaned. Going back to the fuel pipe, the AN connector's got to be cut there, put in, so it needs a little bit more time on it, and we don't have the time right at the minute. Purple pipes, as I showed you there, goes around there, and I'm just going to start putting that. I've got the 12 volts coming out for the starter. Now obviously the 12 volts, everything is inside there now, inside the car. Down to the engine, as you can see the block is done, and you can see through there, maybe, I don't know there. Yeah, so this is all, if it comes up on camera, this is all purple. Orange little end on there, got rid of that, was just dirty and mucky. Got a nice little purple one, and we managed to get all the way down to it. So we've done that. Obviously all these brackets, they're all clean and polished. This is painted, sorry, clean and painted. This is painted. And that's, yeah, that's it. You can see the sump. The sump is caused us a little bit of a problem because one, the sump had a little hole in it, which we changed, and the one that we changed didn't fit the problem with it. So we've had to take the original sump and repair it for now until we get another sump. So yeah, there's the sump. I'll show you. Not the finish I was looking for, but it's okay for now. Obviously the next thing, we'll have another engine going in anyway, so that'll be the boosted turbo engine, and That'll have a brand new sump on that one, because that'll have to be drilled, etc. Flash plates in, so the oil stays in the sump. Yeah, there's the clutch lead, the clutch is in, the release bearing, nothing else in the drive shafts. Yep, that's it really. So yeah, a couple of little mentions which I'll mention once we've actually got it all put up together, but there's a big thanks to Stu and Co at MJC Automotive, which is a supplier for the dressing. They do a lot more now, so check out the website mgcautomotive.co.uk. Yeah, check all that out. It's there's some nice stuff on there, and there's a couple of bits that they've supported us with. So I'll show you them, but I'll also show you the rest of it when it's on. So you can see we've sent us these spikes, we're not fastening them on yet, which holds the top of the shocker. In our case they're all in the spoon brace, which is good. That's extra, we've added that on. We're hoping to get some more for the servo, and then there's a couple for the engine, so there's a few more to come yet.